At Erie, we understand how important your home is, and we pledge to protect it. Not only can you take comfort in our generous policy, you can expand your protection too. Using the Color Key, let's take a look at how you can customize your coverage with our Erie Secure bundles, Advantage, Plus, and Select. Your Erie agent can help you decide which one is best for you, since different coverages apply to specific bundles. 1. Equipment breakdown coverage protects major appliances and home systems. 2. Stolen or misplaced valuables provides increased limits for personal valuables like jewelry, silverware, and firearms. 3. Sewer or drain coverage takes care of the plumbing and mess in case of backup. 4. Personal cyber covers up to $30,000 for identity recovery, plus reimburses expenses associated with a personal cyber event. 5. Underground service lines protection protects all those hidden systems that keep life moving: electrical wiring, cable and internet, sewer and water, natural gas, and propane. 6. Restoration for siding and roofing provides additional coverage for your home and other structures for weather-related siding and roofing damage, including debris removal. Make sure you have the protection you need for your home and everything in it. Talk to your Erie agent about bundling up your coverage.